Uh, hey guys, it's me, Rose Gaming, and today we will be playing Piggy. Obviously, I just died. Today we have Laney Minnie, 1, 2, 3, 4, and Janana Banana. Say hi, you two. And we have King Tut. Say hi. And we got Bubbles in the background. I'm gonna get you. Yum yum. Ah. Okay, guys, let's go upstairs and get Jonana Banana. Stop. Stop, guys. Guys, stop. I'm recording. Okay, guys, let's go over here. Joe died. What's wrong, Papa? Aww. She's just sad. Okay, let's look for the other guy. Yes, Lenny Minnie is our mama. Okay, guys, let's go over here and see if we can find anybody. Oh. Let's see if we can go upstairs and find it. Got him. Dino Piggy, let's go. Alright, let's go play chapter 1. My mouse died, guys. It doesn't work anymore, so I have to get a new one. So I have to play with the pad on my laptop. Yeah. Oh, guys, this is Joe, this is King, and this is Lenny Minnie. So it looks like we have 2 Midases. Looks like they're teaming. We should team, guys. Yeah. Well, that would be nice. Would be nice. I don't know. Let's pick gallery. Let's pick it. No. Aww, I was wishing for Trader. I was like, no. You are just as, let's read this guy. You are just as stubborn as when I tried to save my wife, it says. But this time I will stop you as I should have stopped myself. Mr. Potato Head? I didn't know Mr. Potato Head was evil. Touch players to catch them. Use your traps to stun players. And you've been Piggy. The players will have a head start in the meantime. Look around the room for help. You sadly can't crawl. Well, that sucks. Look at my claws. Look how long they are. It's cool. Okay, I've been woken up. Time to go find the munchkins. I already see them. I see King. I see. Get him, Potato Head. See. Don't go over by Mr. Potato Head, Mom. What is he doing? Yeah, we're working. Me. Okay, I'm back. Midas. Or Midas. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm not talking much, I'm sorry. For your mistake. Yeah, because Joniana Joe for short. Got king. I didn't hack. I can't. I don't know how to hack either, guys. I don't know how to hack. Okay, guys, let's go over here. Seriously, I'm done. How did I not get you? You wish. Okay, guys, let's go look for the other guys. Not that way. Well, the potato head's going this way, so I think they're at the orange. No, I'm pretending to stay AFK. So they pretend to walk by. I know his brother was down here, though. He cheated! Wow, I'm done. He cheated! Did you guys see that? They're cheating! Well, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to press that subscribe button and like if you like this video. And turn on notifications if you want to see more. And